Hey everybody, Kime here, your neighborhood gas guy, wrapping up a job, a fireplace install. I don't know if you can see up there. I had the install in the last video where I was installing that and putting in this Ruby. Let me show you what we did today. So down here, if you've seen my videos, you've seen this gas configuration before. I just put a quick disconnect for his grill right there. So he's ready to go as soon as he's fully moved in. And then I'll show you what the finished product of this fireplace looks like. So that's a Ruby 35 with a contemporary conversion. Beautiful black porcelain around it. And there she goes.